Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placements. Okay, this is your reading. Okay, love read by October. Okay, for October. Pagdating sa new person and sa person on your mind. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? So, again, kung meron pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet kay Granter, so message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And if you're looking sa isang healer, okay, ng isang healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message naman, okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, let's start with the new person. Okay, the new person. So, ito yung parang ginugusto mo pa lang, parang ganyan, okay? No romantic connection pa nangyayari, okay? Wala pang connection dapat, ha? Oo, pagdating dito sa new person, okay? So, let's see. The new person. This is for singles, okay? So, Aries. How do they see you? Okay. Pero mas maganda, unahin natin yung sayo, no? Okay, so how do you see this person, Aries? How do you view them? How do you view this new person? Okay. The Eight of Swords. Silent. Okay, silent. May mga tinatago, ganyan. Why? Why the Eight of Swords? Yeah, you see them as the Eight of Swords, being silent. The Five of Swords inversed. This person is, sabihin nating hindi ka tinatapunan ng pansin, no? Okay, they're giving you confusion. Yes. Okay? Kasi may chance nga na gusto mo tong kausapin. Okay, yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you nakakasama mo to sa isang place, like every day. Okay? I don't know kung nakakasalubong mo lang to sa hallway, like that. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, wala pang chance na nag-uusap na kayo ng taong to. You view them someone as silent, reserved, like that. Okay? Or something na mysterious, no? Yun ang nakuha ko. Okay. Gusto mo siyang talagang makilala pa, sa totoo lang. Yeah, the Five of Swords inversed. So, how do this new person views you? Tingnan natin sila naman. Paano ka ba nila makita? Paano ka ba nila, ano bang tingin niya sa'yo? Aries, anong tingin sa'yo ng taong to? So, we have here air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, yeah, this could be any sign. Okay, the World. Some of you, there's a gap here. Okay, in general, there's a gap. Okay, what's with the World? They see you as the World. May distansya, maybe. The Ten of Wands inversed. Oh no. Okay. Ito Aries. Kung sino man tong nagugustuhan mo, you're interested, kung sino man to, they're not interested. Okay? Yeah. I'm so sorry. They're not interested. Wala itong ang tingin niya sa'yo, okay, so may gap. Hindi ka effort. Parang ganun walang walang interest. I'm so sorry, pero okay? Hindi naman sinabi sa reading na kapag gusto mo tong taong to, gusto ka rin. Okay? So, ramdam mo na ayaw ka nito. Yes. Ramdam mo na hindi ka gusto ng taong to. And yes, tama yun. Okay? Tama yun. Let's see. Bungkalin pa natin, no? Bungkalin pa natin kung ano bang meron pagdating sa emosyon. Tingnan natin, ano ba talagang emosyon nito pagdating sa'yo. So, we have here fixed sign and fire sign. Okay. They're trying to detach. Yung parang wala talagang pakialam. Ano talaga ang emosyon nito for you, Aries? The new person. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. There's no attraction. Okay? The Queen of Wands in reversed. Kasi kapag naka-upright yan, there is a lot of attraction. Bumaliktad. Wala. Okay? Like physically. Diba unang-una naman, physical tayo natingin. So, una pa lang, physical pa lang, wala na. Hindi ka na type. I'm sorry, pero yeah. Why the Queen of Wands in reversed? The Ace of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too focused on their career. Okay? Some of them, merong ibang pinag-o-offeran. Okay? They're avoiding you. They're avoiding you. Takot nga to kapag malalapitan mo siya. I don't know why. Okay? Meron tong someone, I think. Tong nagugustuhan mo. May someone to. What's this Ace of Pentacles? Or some of them that talagang pwedeng focus lang nila is finances in general. Okay? No time for love, maybe. Yeah. Or sabi natin, may involve talaga. Okay? The Ten of Cups. Some of them pwedeng nakakuha ko ng energy ng breadwinner. Okay? Breadwinner. No time for love. Parang ganun. Uunahin ko muna family ko, like that. Or kung alam yung single tong taong to, pwedeng ganun. Inuuna niya yung pamilya niya, kapatid, mga ganyan. Goals niya, mga ganyan. Pero kung alam mo na may someone to, then dun siya nakafocus, not you. Okay? Not on you. Okay. Anong next action niya towards you? Nitong new person. Nitong ginugusto mo. Okay. Anong next action niya towards you? Oh, the Page of Wands. What's that? What? What's that? Page of Wands. So, I think may mag-start dito sa inyong dalawa. What's this? Page of Wands. Oh my golly. The Devil. Sana huwag. We have here the Ace of Cups in reversed. Okay, Ace of Cups in reverse. Walang pag-o-offer ng emosyon dito, ha? See, the Queen of Cups naka-reverse din. This is flirt. Yeah, this is flirt. I don't know how. Okay. And this is, sabihin nating, kung itong taong to, or kung ikaw magbibigay ka ng motibo rito, mga pababae, mga palalaki, kakagat to. Ha? Yes. Okay, I don't do sugar coating. Kakagat to. Kapag to, nakitaan ka niya ng motibo na gusto mo siya, igagrab niyo yun. Pero don't expect love. Don't expect commitments from this person. Okay? Kung nakikita mo, or kung nakikita niya na i-flirt mo siya, may chance na mag-flirt back yan. Okay? Pero, again, sabi ko sa'yo, emosyon nila, they're not attracted. They don't like you. Okay? So, ano to? It's like trip lang. Okay? So, I don't know. Some of them kasi is too busy. Sobrang busy. So, may chance na gagawin ka nitong, pahingahan, parang ganon. Mga babae, mga palalaki, I don't know kung ano man gender to. Okay? Yeah, I'm getting energy of sex. Kahit wala kayo nito. Outcome. Okay, or advice na lang. Oo, advice for Aries. Advice, hanggat maaari i-avoid mo to. Okay, advice. See, the 6 of Swords. Why? 6 of Swords is paglayo. The Page of Cups. Mag-grow may mag-grow dito kahit hindi pwede. Okay? Ito. Kung alam mong may someone to, okay? Kung alam mong may someone to, alisan mo. Okay? Alisan mo na, layuan mo na. Please. Pero kung alam mo na shy single, okay, shy single, pwedeng may mag-start sa inyo, like una muna is sex, and then eventually nakakuha ko dito na pwedeng mag-grow yung emotion sa isa't isa, or yung emotion niya for you, parang may ma-develop. Okay? So, alamin ninyo yung sitwasyon or kung anong meron doon sa person. Okay? Huwag niyong kakagatin agad kung ano bang meron. Okay? So, yeah, I'm getting may energy rito na pwedeng may, sabihin natin, may mabuong connection. Okay? Mabuong connection. Yeah. The King of Cups universe, wag munang magiging emotionally like invested agad-agad if ever na alam mong single to. Okay? Hayaan nyo muna. Oo. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. I'm getting talaga na pwedeng ang unang mangyari sa inyo kung single to, itong taong to talaga, sex muna bago connection or bago relationship. Okay? Yeah. And yeah, again, kung alam mong meron, again, kung alam mong meron, avoid them. Kasi pwedeng may lumalim na emosyon. Hindi ko alam kung sa'yo or sa kanya, so mali pa rin. Okay? Kasi may someone. Kung alam mo yung may someone. Okay? So yun So you have here water, air, Capricorn, earth. Okay, what's this? I think this is, yeah, fire, air, fixed sign, Taurus, Aqua, Leo. Okay, so there. So, tungo na tayo sa person on your mind, Aries. Okay. The person on your mind, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron pagdating sa inyo nung taong iniisip mo. Okay. The person on Aries mind. Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the star. Pwedeng Aqua, Aquarius. There's admiration. What's with that star? Yeah, the 6 of Pentacles. Someone is wanting, someone is praying na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. Another chance maybe, yeah. Or sabihin nating sana may maibigay na something. Okay? So, pwedeng ito yung taong yan. May hinihingi ka sa kanya, may pinagdarasal ka. Maybe clarity. Okay? Mga kasagutan na gusto mong malaman, okay? Or pakikipagayos, or as simple as message. Okay? Or sabihin natin pakikipagbalikan nga, pakikipagayos. Yeah. You want this person. Pwede maging flip yung energy because this is general. This is for the, yeah, collectives, okay? Yeah, you want a new beginning. wanting a new beginning, or maybe siya yung gusto nun pagdating sa'yo. Siyang may gusto. Okay. So, let's see. Anong situation nyo ngayon? Okay, the Four of Cups in reversed. Why is that? What's that? King of Cups in reversed. Okay, a lot of trauma. Meron ditong naibigay lahat, and then ngayon wala nang naitira para sa kanya. Someone is self-centered, selfish din in a way. Okay, Temperance in reverse. There's no balance here. Water sign, Pisces. Tingnan ko, ano ba talagang meron pagdating sa emosyon niya. Anong emosyon ito for you? The Tower. Nakakaramdam ako dito ng regrets or panghihinayang. Yeah, coming from your person. Okay? Panghihinayang. Why the Tower? I think, ang nakuha ko dito is may nangyaring one-sided sa sitwasyon. Okay? Meron ditong hindi na ibigay yung mga dapat ibigay or dapat gawin dito sa connection. Pasensya na po sa mga ingay sa paligid-ligid. Okay. So, the Tower, the emotion, the Tower. So, may something na parang gumuguho. Feeling niya may mga nasayang, may mga nawasak. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. There's regrets here. I think there's regrets. This is a player. Aries, this is a player. They're a non-committal. Yeah, they're a non-committal. Okay, emotionally manipulative person. They manipulated you. Some of you have money. Pwedeng pera ang nagpatakbo sa connection nyo before, I guess. Now, emotion for you is parang ngayon nila na papagtanto na ikaw pala talaga yung kailangan nila. Okay? Let's see. Ano bang magiging action nitong taong to? Next action. Nakita ko na naman yung Ace of Swords. I think this person wants to talk talaga. Wants to communicate, if ever. Tingnan ko nga, ano bang emosyon mo ngayon? Ano bang nangyayari ngayon? Anong nakikita niya pagdating sa'yo? Anong emosyon mo for this person, Aries? Let's see. Kasi nangihinayang siya. The Knight of Wands. Feeling mo na paglaruan ka. Oo. Yeah. Totoo naman. Why the Knight of Wands in reversed? Yeah. Dinrap ka nito. Feeling mo, dinrap ka, nasayang lahat ng ginawa mo, nagalit ka na dito. So now, they're regretting this. Kung ano man yung ginawa niya sa'yo, you drop this person na. Yeah, see? Nandoon yung dumating na sa puntong nadismaya ka na, nang sabihin natin, parang upset. Okay? Pinanghinayangan mo rin to, sa totoo lang. Pero ngayon, nakukuha ko, nangihinayang siya. Siya ang nangihinayang ngayon. Aris, kung ginawa mo naman, lahat sa past, nakita niya yun, naramdaman niya yun, then, huwag ka namang hinayang. Okay? Kung may nangyaring separation dito, I think, meron. Because of the Tower, meron. Okay? Because of them, they're a non-committal. Okay? Self-centered, sabi ko nga. Inuuna lang nito yung sarili nila. Sariling kasiyahan, sariling kagustuhan. Ikaw naman, bigay. Lalo na kung meron kang something or sabihin nating pera. Okay? Specific yun, hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero, kung alam mo namang naibigay mo naman lahat dito sa taong to, then, ganun rin. Now, they're regretting this. Kung ano man yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Yeah, you felt played. Yeah. Okay? So, siguro, yeah. Dinrap mo tong taong to, iniwan mo. Ngayon, marami silang napapagtanto. Okay. Now, they want another chance with you. They want a new beginning with you. They want to, sabihin nating, forgiveness. Okay? From you. So, what is their next action towards you, Aries? Their next action na pwedeng mangyari by October. Okay. Meron silang i-fix. The Eight of Pentacles. Okay? Meron silang i-fix. They will give focus sa kung anong sitwasyon meron kayo ngayon. Okay? Yeah, the Moon. And hindi mo to makikita. Hindi nito ipapaalam sa'yo. Meron itong mga gustong ayusin. Meron itong mga gustong simulan muli. Pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Some of you, I'm getting an energy. This is so specific. Kung merong utang sa'yo tong taong to, babalik to sa'yo, may babayaran siya. Okay? Or meron siyang ibabalik. Or something like, sabihin nating pera. Okay? Meron itong ibabalik sa'yo. Masabi lang na gusto niya makipagayos. That's so specific. That's channeled. Okay? This person wants, they're thinking future with you. Okay? Sa ngayon. Thinking long term with you. Okay? This is nice though. Pero, keep an arm's distance. Okay? If I'm you. If I were you, I will. Okay. Hindi mo malalaman kung ano ba talaga ang intention niya. Kasi makikita mo, mararamdaman mo, gagawa ito ng action. Gagawa yan ng something like pakikipag-ayos. Hindi mo malaman bakit. Okay, so yun nga. Gusto nitong makipagbalikan. Wanting forgiveness din, maybe. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Aries, pagdating dyan sa person na iniisip mo? Okay? Kung naka-resonate ka rito. Ano ba ang advice for you, Aries? Okay, the Five of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, the Justice. Let them realize. Okay, keep an arm's distance. The Two of Swords. Set up healthy boundaries. Set up healthy boundaries. Dapat meron ikaw rules. Okay, kung babalik to kasi yes, babalikan ka, makikipagayos to. We have here justice. Yeah, nakukuha ko kasi justice will be served. Yun ang naririnig ko pagdating sa'yo. Kung ano man. Okay, kung ano man ang mga nagawa ng taong to. Kasi there's a lot of realization here. Hayaan mo sila na talagang ma-realize pa. Okay, you don't need natulungan itong taong to para may ma-realize pa siya. Okay, hayaan mo sila na sila mismo yung makakita. Okay, kung ano pa ba yung kailangan nilang i-work out. Okay, hindi mo kailangang i-welcome to. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang maging masaya dito kapag bumalik to. It's up to you. Kung ayaw mo dito, say it. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo, hayaan mo silang gumawa ng action na deserve mo. Okay? The Four of Pentacles in reversed. Ito yung sabihin nating hayaan mo sila. Hayaan mo sila. Okay? Tapos na yung sayo eh. Tapos na yung gawa mo. Tapos na yung action mo dito. So, let them. Okay? Ngayon. Hayaan mo sila naman ngayon. Okay? So, sana na-gets nyo. Yeah. Yeah. Huwag magiging emotional, please. Please, huwag magiging emotional hanggat maaari. have this Two of Swords always. Okay? It's saying no. Minsan. Okay? This is guard. Having guard up. Okay? So, yun. Ang akin nakikita for you, Aries. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.